Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today for the Sunday supplement special I have something a little special for you. I have a box of Legend of Blue Eyes, LOB, to open for you today. So without anything further, here is the box. It is a Korean box, so it isn't the same markup as a first edition English box, but still astoundingly interesting to open, and we're going to have some fun either way. And we're going to find the best way to get into these packs as well, because it doesn't seem to be an easy open tab. Or so this video might take a little longer than normal just because of the packs themselves. So here we go. Oh wow! In our first pack, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, there is a Freezey Wheezey treat, Legend of Blue Eyes, and we pull the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Doesn't get much better than that. First pack, folks. Blue Eyes White Dragon. That is pretty Freezey Wheezey. We still got 39 more packs to open, so hoorah! But I tell you, they do not come open very easily. There we go. And a legendary sword, another one of those. And a Fisher, excuse me. Can't believe we got the Blue Eyes White Dragon. I wasn't expecting to see anything crazy out of these, but to get the Blue Eyes, that is a Freezey Wheezey treat. Oh, these packs are a nightmare to get into. You need to be able to pick locks and safes if you want to get into these. There we go. Dark Energy. And a Dragon Capture Jar. I think we're just going to achieve much simpler results with a knife. And we have a Beast Fangs, Dark King of the Abyss, Sheep, and a two-pronged attack. So next up, we've done about 5 or 6 packs so far. We finally have a reliable way to get into it. The Carbonala Warrior. Ooh, nice. We got a Skull Servant. Yummy. That one didn't even have a rare in. That's... I guess you're not guaranteed a rare in these packs. What, we pulling lucky to get those two-pronged attacks? Silver Fang. And no rare in that one either. And steady into the next pack. Have a Violet Crystal. We do get a rare in that one. We get a Fisher. a dark grey, remove trap, and no rare in that one. I think we did pretty well to get that blue eyes, to be honest. Ooh, nice. A copy of Sparks, another Skull Servant, and a Fusionist, I think that one is. And we jolly well go. We have another Beast Fangs. And another Dragon Capture Jar. And next up, Raised Body Heat, One-Eyed Shield Dragon. Ooh, nice. Our second holo is a Mystical Elf. It's a nice little Freezey Wheezey treat for us. Go with our Blue Eyes White Dragon that we pulled. And we've seen plenty of those. Ooh, back-to-back holos. Curse of Dragon. Very nice. There we go. Coming through with some holos. 2 supers and an ultra. I'm pretty chuffed with this opening, to be honest. Oh, 3 packs, 3 holos. Swords of Revealing Light. On a little roll here. And next up, a Hitotsumi Giant. A Frenzied Panda. We did lose the streak, but we picked up 3 super rares for our troubles. So that is pretty tasty. And we've got another Hitotsumi. Pretty much the same pack as the last one. And a basic insect, red medicine, and a witty phantom. We'll eventually get into the pack. There we go, and we have a remove trap and a flame ghost. Oh, these packs are just a pain in the backside to open. Ooh, another super. We're getting a good box here. Man-Eater Bug. We're just getting the classics of Yu-Gi-Oh here. Mystical Elf, Curse of Dragon, Man-Eater Bug, Swords of Revealing Light. Just staples from back in the day. And you get 40 packs in a box, which definitely makes you feel like you're getting your money's worth. And the coffin thing. And an M-Warrior #1. And we start with another dark grey. Nothing in that one. And I think that's our playset of Skull Servants. If we want to play Korean Skull Servants. And next pack will yield up another one of those egg things. Oh my good grief! Freezey Wheezey treats left, right and centre. Pulled the head of Exodia to go with our blue eyes. We're pulling all of the iconic cards out of this set. If you were going to pick two ultras out of Legend of Blue Eyes, you'd probably say Exodia and Blue Eyes. So some Dark Magician fans and some Gaia the Fierce Knight fans will probably roast me in the comments, but I think you'd struggle to argue with the iconic status of the head of Exodia and Blue Eyes White Dragon. What a box! 6 holos so far, 2 ultras, 2 of the best ultras. And we still got a few packs to go. And another M Warrior number 1. And a remove trap and a fusionist. First one of these, I forget the name. And then there's the original M Warrior. Or M Warrior number 2, I should say. And now we get the same card in 2 packs in a row. This is basically the same pack card for card. Oh, it's blooming packs. "13th Grave", Armail, and then we go with a Aqua Mador. Flame Manipulator, and one of those. How many packs we got left? I think 4 or 5 packs, give or take. And our pack. Picked up 2, we don't need 2. Armail. That might be our luck on the holos as we get down to the last couple of packs, but we did pretty well. Another Carbonala Warrior. And a Violet Crystal. One of those Grave Digger cards, Grave Digger Ghoul, I think. Hinotama, Aqua Mador, Mammoth, one of those, and that's it. That wraps us up. It was a pretty Freezey Wheezey opening, considering you're not guaranteed even rares, it would seem, in these packs, and we picked up 4 classic super rares. And then we go from classic super rares to Freezey, Wheezey ultra rares. The Legend of Blue Eyes gives us a Blue Eyes White Dragon and the head of Exodia. So it doesn't get much better than that. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed the content today. Without anything further, this is IATD TV signing off. Peace out.